Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. There's no place like home. With 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms and over an acre of land, you'll have many options and opportunities to fulfill all your creative real estate dreams. You can relax on any of the 2 balconies and catch the amazing views. Or if you prefer, you can chill in the garden by the pond with or without guests. The primary bedroom is equipped with a spacious ensuite bathroom as well as walk-in closet. This could be your next home. Our next project with over an acre of land. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. Asking price for this house is Jamaican 90 million or US $584,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.